Azungwa or we are. You guys, which is terrible. Or what terrible? Iye boy wari granotoye or what tota or bale granotoye. Veni yo ba mi emina etwabo. Or wari granotoye wari ye again. You go carry granotoye, you don't put her for a lap. You go the rapper as Yoruba people say they do that year. Weaving. That they are weaving. When if Yoruba people want weave that they are weaving for you, here they will carry your head, put on for their lap. Eh? Okona wari granotoye. Oh, a granotoye pokpa. Ah, una poverty too. It una we but one baby poor senya. Then Nigeria wa ije. This is what they will look kwa. These people for don't die throw away. Tell these women now, say, make they go Nigeria, make they spend 1 year. They're not of it. Only the day when that time when coronavirus, lock iye boy down. Iye boy, even tablet when iye boy they drink, iye boy no see money to buy. Ona inigo. Iye boy I call they look and say, shameless woman. Iye boy no fit tap body. Tap body now, so Europe women they do one. Europe women, when people say they know something, they know they carry last. Yeah, tap a big. I hear you tap when they go tap ear rig. Tap on carry gold come on for their ear. Muaria gaunsa, yeah, mugo lawa. I know when you tap hey. You go waro, yeah, if you go to your way. Me, I am not just if you go to your way. Every month. Every month, go ask people that know me. Yeah, we're lovely. Yeah, me, am I lovely, me, we good. Yeah, tap yeah, cancer. They cannot nothing. How can somebody from Europe? Somebody go Nigeria, you know get waiting go put come for a body when he go say or he will. They were social media walk back down. It go to work here with shopping. Ego the mayor will show after they do Christmas finish money when I think they go out now, they do shopping for us now. Now tickets money, tickets. Arulerie Nigeria, okay, I am with crayfish. Listen.
Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you.
Enter house, you useless woman. Well, I will go.
I wait till next week before I go buy, but I just want to go tomorrow in case if any fish.
Oh, Ibu. You better carry that children call it. Bobo will say it. Like me now, I'm going to talk about Bobo. Talk about which if I reach us start even is na 20 euro. He die. You can't they make noise for euro. Can't they send message? Can't they give me? Yeah, you can pass. Can't they send message? Can't they give me? Go Africa shop. Go and buy this fish. But what the fish eva? 25 euro. Where 25 euro? Where ya de in Nigeria. One person they buy 2 fish for a year. In Nigeria, we may can live a area Amsterdam. Yeah, de Igwe no one can look women. A cookbed dokba. Or where ya de that money, change that money to Nigeria currency. You don't use a take carry basket of fish. 25 euro now. And change that to Nigeria currency. It's almost 60,000. How much they take they buy a basket of fish? How much? Oh! How much? How much for a basket of fish? This fish when you go reach Amsterdam, we have one way 30 euro, 50 euro for one. 10 euro for one. Who deva? 12 euro for one. Who deva? I there. Who deva? We change. We have forward to add back mommy. If I reach Amsterdam, say I want cook soup. If I reach there, I will carry this. The one where they don't remove the back. What ibobo? What do they call them? Boga fish. Now 5 euro. I will buy two will be 10 euro. I'll buy two will be 10 euro. Oh, presenter enter house. Presenter enter house. No, also we are in Nigeria. Can you imagine? Why are in Nigeria? Why was in Nigeria? Why so you are in Nigeria? Why the way bo? Why me hold that shot? Now get my shot. Because of Fita. Where do you write? I don't first see your DC just now. Not you fair that. Okay, because of Fita. Not the president. Ada, wait. Adeze, you said because of Fita, most of presenters don't write. They don't come on Fita for Facebook. Yeah, when Fita by there. You not say me. Whether my face, I don't use Fita for my face. Is it Fita you talk? He don't Fita for Facebook again. I don't know. They don't remove this Adeze, I beg. I don't get straight to laugh. But we call listen to who buy ticket all the way from. Yes, now. They don't remove Fita. My girlfriend went married, but now they call me. I'll call her later. They don't remove Fita. They don't remove them. Yeah. But darling, you know this is all this way. I know they show my face. They don't remove Fita. Nah, wow, I be not know my darling. Oh, thank you for the information.
Not too dry. I go dry before I come out. Because the last time where I come...
Shut up, useless mother, useless grandmother. Kokunwe. Ha. Nah, wow. A dry fish where we boy yamu in Nigeria. Why one dry fish who was so where in Nigeria? You carry dry fish, you still leave your daughter for Nigeria. Una get mine. Who wa fie ke gbogbo no, I no feel Roma. Yeti, I no fit. I the Vatican they go Nigeria. Yeah, they say vali if fie ke gbogbo we are there webo. I will back my pikin. No. They say on no riye ke agbonje. Even blind person they look back. Suzy wa fie ke gbogbo. I say Suzy, you are a disgrace. Oh my God. He will never. He dey pay me for body. Oh, people matter. What fie ke gbobwe? Why what dey any for? You go just enter this thing. You go dey. You go now where you dey ticket. Where Koke be 5 years. Where Koke be 5 years. So that your daughter not go do visa. Tell the Oyibo when you dey in house. No fit pay house rent. Now you carry load go stay for Oyibo house. Oyibo go invite your daughter come. Okay, how can you imagine? The webo. Oma no gwe borowa. We ma see the invite of you where they. If you only visit self. Or we visit. We ma see you no fit. Why was that? Don't one. The last time I checked, people when they marry Oyibo that time, when they follow Oyibo, they do conviviality for her. So Oyibo they invite their people come. Suzy, we ne one way. Mona Lucio.
Nigeria where I enter Belgium. So as I carry life snake, they come control.
Once when mom we went on a life, your picking will be when it day life. Mom way of you way life enter abroad. Now snake. Nice Suzy. Snake. Suzy. Ha! I bet my people. May I remove this Wage, Mama call Luko. Well, we are wasting life. Mama, we wear life in life with boy. My people, you say they remove Fita, so they're not the fight against me. I remove Fita. Oh, well, there's a way. If it a ro ya wage. The dese gay. Orienti we be frustration wa. Wage Suzy with frustration. Oh, ine. Now you got to talk to me, see me here. I'm on this one official land. Lovely, where wow. She's fucking up. She they fucked up. Oh yeah.
I can carry life snake. So that life snake, if that your control, you control anything contraband.
Shut up, useless woman. You not fit carry your pikin come Europe life. You dey carry snake come Europe. Yana size. Anyway, wale mu de na yan size. Eva egbo urioho. Urioho nye Suzy. Carry your pikin come Europe. Urioho go egbe ma oho e. Oh, e wan egbe oho Okpaika ya talk back man.
Warning. So I didn't pay anything. So if they control any contraband again, I'm going to pay boots.
Shut up! Right? Oye wo me mi siga. Right? Guga we oya we careful ne. Oya we kia de no kia munanya. Iya we hotel. They are not going to fuck Mama Suzy in the hotel. Cause some boy can ni ana ohu na. If now oh na go wage silly. Silly na my people are yeti nyam ye silly ya. Yeah, you go see I for head. Egbe ma o no ya live webu. Oh, who say only we kom yemu lesson we mu yo na ju we na yemu. Eni an wa be biyo to we wa be jamu. Oh, o ma no ke we bore wa ge lesson no se mu jo. Oye we khara. It be like umbrella. Which material be that one? Oh, Suzy. Oh, yeah, can't they fool yourself?
Okay, that is if I carry anything that has to do with warm. Okay, like roti meat.
It be like I am a tagger. He said that they call her a dede. After make herself, a dede just to show for your face. They don't make up when we are out here. You be foolish grandmother. I get away begele or who way. They'll say, they know when swag. When that women swag going. Yeah.
Or live meat.
Oh.
So then I will pay. It can be 200, it can be 150, it can be 300. I'm not ready to pay that kind of money again. So I just want to go and pay. I don't carry snake again this time. I don't want straight. Except if my daughter tell me to.
See, the day when one use himself, take to a small picking. He put her for head, he can't tire go here. Use ribbon take tire. The day he want do fashion for himself. Give her yeah work with it too.
Mommy, I go try. My problem is but she don't.
Already Nigeria they make up no raw. See the makeup when they you know if go makeup make the see make up. Where we invited makeup where we to be where you seen of in Nigeria.
I don't like to stress anybody. One of our feel where now it's egile ka gbe na dele na 20 no gele ko 70,000 naira.
Egile gbu nu mo buere. Mo we live bo. Okwegile si yo. Wa mi egile he. Mighty mo we live bo atele gile. Oh, oh, na oh, what fear ke gbovie. Ah, oh, one no here. If person they waka, you know they look back. That person, you know good at all. Ah, where enya Suzy oh one no hiye ke. As a can hiye ke. If you waka you go look back. If I don't carry her daughter enter Europe. She for don't carry her daughter enter Europe. Suzy. The na wish mama ye boy Okpaika we zenia many those are the women that they go they know they look back if you're wrong yeke you know see person can't greet you now if you escort that person if the person they go 12 una must still turn wave una go wave una say until that person go come out for that area see yeah the oh, Latifa.
But I'm going to buy fish tomorrow.
area where can ya feel like qua. Anything when they carry con Europe, area Europe can ya see they feel like qua. What well I will bo but after many years, see, let doing day I. See, let doing day I. Oh, no be a mon filo qua oh, no be a mon filo qua oh, I thought any video when you do, if you like, insult me. I don't even see where you insult me for this video, self. I foresee player. Now, Rita, they talk to.
And crayfish, I don't buy crayfish. I have a lot of crayfish.
Who azua? A crayfish boo Suzy. When you wege nama, or not be a wege you na the color. Who should they tell on this kind shameless and disgraceful talk? People where they follow you. Any gelelelu where. Then where ya nyakmon, where ya dedigie. Anyone will lelu where. They don't see carry their piki come. Cause most of new school now when they abroad, most of the see bomb throw away for Africa. Why they step on no Suzy all dead yeke. Suzy no a thing turning yeke. You go turn back at her daughter. Oh, my people. I go a basio. Hey, thank God though. Even you no see more ball. I go a basi. Doctor say you go a basi for year now. My mind go doctor say, hey, thank God though. Suzy won't carry piki come. Yeah, crayfish where tamia ugbeo. Where tamia genya. Hey, my people. We are making a doctor. Why 5 million? Why a doctor ni? Hey, where am I? Hey, why you do again here? Oh, a crayfish. A crayfish wish everybody when they go Nigeria, you go carry crayfish come. Even if say you not go Nigeria, who the Nigeria will say, you go carry something come, make I help you carry come. And you crayfish. Any crayfish be ure. Or water me. Ewo ne ya ni wo mo bi Nigeria ne wasa bomu no more crayfish. Oh, this woman too poor. He can never make it again. Eti ye make it. Oh, where in Nigeria? I did Nigeria. Why you not go Nigeria? For good 1 year. Now only 1,005. Now you feel gather. Only 1,005. Now you feel gather. You must go Nigeria now. Wait till be 1,005. Where person they carry you my hair? Get to no row. Only Suzy, I see say. She's where they do live video. He never buy 30 inches hair. 32 inches, 34. 16 inches, 16 inches, 16 inches hair. Now they wear 16 inches. And not be ordinary human hair. Now those wet and wave. When Chinese fair do. Now I weminare or condition them you. The mumu people when they follow will say, this hair is fine. They will say it's fine. But now check all the hair when they here. 16 inches, 16 inches, 16 inches. They not we have a kita. Or you have a kita nebo dress. It be like dog when you both dress. Oh yeah, kita nebo dress. Oh, Suzy. To a what day ye quality. I cannot be you wearing yai. Or what day ye call where we rock. Or who down where I see a cat bear or some waki yeki. He said that all they can. He said if you reach where you they say wrong. He said who is susu no. He said na bad. Oh, yeah, come tell us as it back the gile. This woman not a shit. E where buye. E crayfish never move your I will carry crayfish. If you see person when they go ask, I take bring crayfish come for me. Hey, marketing no be the second the day one room they do that time. The day one room no run. No ni wa we gbo wen mo o. The caterpillar gbo ye. Caterpillar don't baluge cover day. O gbo mini boy. Caterpillar baluge ko. Eh. Then the boy I caterpillar that gbo mi on. Caterpillar egbo mi ni Boyi. Caterpillar no agboduwe ko. We village ni di boy. No railway conductor achan. O wa no vie o monigere webo. Ona we conductor. Yeah. Oh, I have tell us.
I will buy Ogbolo.
Oh, yo. Voilà. Wanevele Suzy la wari yo but the Suzy no ya movie like webo. Why we make connection? Why we the connection the Suzy? He will not believe crayfish we gile o say Nigeria ni we not believe crayfish. We move well like webo. Go. See face yan. Mo na see face yan. Ori gbolusho ukoshe. Awe ri gbolukoshe. Ije me ore edede dan. Edede angele we fitayero. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah, the spirit no now you work with grave re. It be like spirit wey come up for inside grave. It be like that body where he wake up after 7 days. Oh yeah, the kita down. Oh yeah, come the back for us. I will be. Yeah, go guanoje. Go guanoje. Yeah, mona see the DC. Mona see the roof of the house when the DC of the house. Yeah, egbo wana ewe yeje. I will okay, Wanija Jenahi na old house. A Suzy or Wanoge. Ne Suzy, wa or what he kita yevo. It be like dog, they back the go wage. Oh, my work is taken on that, where I will walk it. Here were all in there. Thierry Foire. That say this one they craze. If family don't even know see the crazy away what talent all the fois. Oh yeah.
Just impose me my love. I will carry it. And also
You know the shape. Tell that person when you want carry crayfish, go give. Tell her whether he leave pikin for Nigeria. Make if you want that one come give her crayfish. If you leave pikin for Nigeria, not be crayfish, not be your problem now. How you take bring your children come Europe? Now it be your problem now. Why when Suzy no more a grandchildren. You know, can't they celebrate grandchildren when they're born for Nigeria? Oh, no see the makeup when you do. See, while the makeup no okito gide. Oh, is it okito gide that they call her? What do you people call it? Okito gide. Elede gide. Is a lede. Elede. Anyway, you where you can walk here and with me now.
one of my sister again. Finish.
Yeah, we want the ticket here in Nigeria. Where do you see Libobu? Where we show my woe. This is my land. This is my property. Where we show. Egile we show. When it is show Egile. What's a we manage? Egile, the most cheapest thing so far. If you reach all villages in Egile food there. Egile. So they found Egile, go Gyokba for Ishan land. I should jog Babo Tessan. E a regular or tell you Egile. Market go full for snake. Both the small one, both the big one. The day when I go Nigeria, I will carry on enter the market. Ujogba. The time when they trade for Ujogba that time. Yeah, we are going to know you fake hair. Extension, right? Etonomu you have spirit. Family where we have when movie where they will bo. Area wa jea. A family where you have where out me of where my mu ya webo. He have a come where. O ma kayana, mamu ya ye webo, mamu ya ye webo, or home move well like webo. All of the day so then near Bolikiae. Let them stay home together. Let them be killing fly and chopping it. Yeah. Oh. Am I yes school or man? If you not go school, no good. Egile. When me why you need with some more I will work. He got tell me gile. Are they crazy? Are they mad? Eh? See my Benin girlfriend when he play reach France, they deport him for France. As they come back after 6 months, he come back with her sister. With her sister, oh, she come back with her sister. The woman she come put for Don Prince live video, I think 3 years ago. Because also they deport him for France. So see, say I know they lie. They deport him for France. They come back to Europe. He come back with his sister, with her junior sister. Can you imagine walking in a gold? Yeah, bear no amu Josa gie. Like we both Suzy. You are a shame and disgrace. To we ba ekin we don't no. You already know that you are a failure. That is why you are looking for things to they cover up. You know that there is some people when you are telling them the truth, they will look for something to cover up. Cover up. Like we bo. Rita say you carry your pikin come abroad. Rita where you monu bia mu you critical we Nigeria. Oh when no mo de we bo. Oni kalo no en lode. Kalo no en unzan. Mona asa wetin make do am. Mona asa make not do anything o. He not do anything. Na jealousy. As he come reach Nigeria now. He see say make the show groundnut. Things where people give make the show. Now that one it be like say inside this video self. He can't say they buy drink for him. So he can't carry why I drink when he full here. Now drink, now they say fuck you. Suzy, now drink. Well now you we bore, you now you drink Yahoo in Nigeria. You are a shame. Shame. Now you be shame and disgrace. A drink Yahoo in Nigeria. You are ashamed of yourself. Now your men now they use lamp to take the fuck. And I carry this 100 by 100. You go friend the map. You need to say Nigeria. One Nigeria man will come to say, lovely, I want to date you. I'll say, bro, go and give me 100 by 100. I will go sign now. Carry a go Riedo. Naka Riedo will put their stamp. Baka. The property belongs to me. Before the man will come, they say, don't they change your mind. My mom will need a attorney. First I rant. Go where you want to change your mind. Waiting, they don't already stamp for Riedo. They can't bow where. So beneath women day. Their boyfriend the motor niya. Yeah, change the ownership. Yeah, change it. Babana. As some beneath women, yeah, well, turn. And my boyfriend, I dash me. He can't dash away. He can't no go. The substances where they inside, you go pour through where you are a disgrace. Can an old school become useless like this? Suzy become useless. Useless Adora. She comes to social media, she go they talk. She don't feel take off her daughter. She don't come on 5,000 euros. You don't feel use at your picking package to come Europe. That was wearing way where my ticket 5,000 euro cash. You are a shame and disgrace. Shame unto you. Shame. You can never have peace until you carry that your picking con Europe. What I can wear donya? A kick make pen way do. A kie gile. A kie ribo nehe. A kie this what ye ni was say you go where they call a kie a bevarie we dweke crayfish egile ure ion. When your mate, they are bringing their children to Europe country. You know, the shame. Your offspring began in Nigeria. Your offspring, your grandchildren, they began in Nigeria. Your daughter began to they give you offspring. How offspring for Nigeria? You are a shame. You guys should get off. Look at that sparrow chair. You disappear. Mumu.
you are not merited. You are not merited. So that is just
Mo we like webo. O we ma meriti no ya like webo. Ga o no gege. O ye gbe pada o ye gbolukoke. Ge sian. Sian. U se. Oh. Oh my God. Kokigo. No, see some women, before they will go Nigeria, they'll make sure say they arrange everything. See your mate, they go out, you know, they go see your mate. The day when you go reach house, you go break record. Now I will see the talk say, oh, someone why not show this as the dirty people near the ticket in Nigeria. Without they don't have compound of their own. Here have a compound. They don't have compound. Geke nonje. Yeah. AC geke nonje. Aye ge light. See lamp. Ki aye dweke lamp na. Oh, go why if you say lamp, you get the lamp. See this thing. See. Very dirty. Aye color ya pento. Aye red color ya pento. Everything is white now. Yeah, we make property. Yeah, the property. I go yeah, back my social media. Patient maker. The day when you go reach Nigeria, everywhere go make. Everywhere you go make boko. Everywhere go make boko. Yeah, to the gate and the gate you go they give echo. Where you behind the gate, yeah, to the gate yeah, you go they give echo. Look, here plan. They don't have plan. Look at it. The money when they waste, they buy ticket go Nigeria. You are wasting it. What do you go to Nigeria to do? Nothing. Where you plan where we Nigeria? That we give people courage. Say, what are you in Nigeria? No, what are you? Okay, what are you doing at this moment now? Tell it there. Dry fish, boga fish, big snake, ion, egile. You know, egile, ion. Anywhere, those are what you are telling people. That you're a criminal. Criminal, not frustrate. Yeah. Oh, no, man, no, sukoko. Tiens, cigar. Oh! I can't tell you lost where your life carry you reach.
You know my people. So stay blessed and stay cool. I will see you guys tomorrow. If I go, but normally tomorrow I get a lot of activities. Mama Peter say they cannot worry. He said he got him.
The activities that you have tomorrow, is it going to concern your daughter? The activity we want you to show on this social media, let it concern your daughter. Yes. When we're getting our move, congratulations. I was so happy that but at the end of the day, be in Nigeria. If you need your way. Oh, salubwa. My people. Area. My people will not they follow. Did they when my people go reach Nigeria? Una will see my people couple. My people, it debut also. My people debut. I did that when you go reach Nigeria, you see my people. My people go use check to sit down for a new compound. And nothing agbilikiai. I agbilikiai. Oh.
Okay. So, but if I'm
shame and disgrace. By this time, they give visa. Then they give visa by this time. If you reach embassy now, visa, work the paper from here. Work on for Belgium. Don't work on for Belgium. When my illiteracy is not good. Erita Gele Wegenyan Waji school. Rita said that you should go back to school. Like for me now, like as I am now, the barrister, he don't totally tell a gile. Talking about Egile when my daughter is wasting away in Africa. I will be talking about Egile. Am I crazy? So I don't have something to do with my brain. Look at to see that this woman, she's a low life woman. Did you see what she's talking about? Omanoje Nigeria talking about Egile. When your daughter is there in Africa wasting away with your grandchild? Are you kidding? Where? Whew. Erita went to 1 year school. He said you should go back to school so that you get a lot of wisdom. Wisdom is matter in life. So that if you want to proceed, you know how to proceed to your audience. Not this. You guys are doing. We're going to plan a life. Oh, or what be more 30 years of hona you just webu. Omo ware Nigeria. If they come abroad, we make her dansha. How you tell they do? I don't feel sleep. Oh, Meti. Me I go risky an. Ya mwe beni wo vive mie. Ya lepot gbera. Oye ya lepot gbera. Ya lepot gbera for you go send the paper come give. And am I rock bana? Don't know anything. They don't know anything. Muno boy ya lepot gbera. Ya say mama. O man on your why ye na. I de beni ne. You go carry. You go buy ticket put. You the ticket yo. Who want the ticket yo? No. I was so with social media. I better pass you. Osalo bois, no let me okianu wakiana. May God no let me waka da waka. As in Nigeria, I make kenaje. I make compound. I can no man already both for good 30 years. You know get your compound. Who wakian you can have compound do it. Who got with barbecue a compound do it. Those people they don't have plan. Plan it. See some people for America, they go spend 30, 40. The day when they go reach Nigeria, you'll see them. Everywhere go make bobo. Telling you, depressed people. When you are depressed, they are the one listening to you. People that really have it up there, they will say that you are making nonsense. Around nonsense. That is what you are putting on your table to give to those people. Ni hallelujah. Suzy, they are useless as Suzy. Yes. They are useless as Suzy. There is no Benin woman that is normal. Oh, lele Suzy, normal me boya gbebo, normal team over here like webo. We did that right now when Benin women they run now. How is on me saying when we in Nigeria? Now 6 children and they go carry a quick. Get one woman. That woman David Chaser. Now Yibo, he married born for Yibo. Children when that woman carry almost 6 children come from Nigeria. Or not that one carry 3 come like that, 4, 5. That time they're going to do Thanksgiving for church. Look at who are you talking to? Same people like you, when frustrate like you. A normal Benin woman, no more real like Webo, it cannot stay with you. You know that say you be failure. Suzy is a failure. There is no Benin woman, no more real like Webo. See this. Iye nuko komo. Wait there this in UK. Iye nuko komo. Oh, what Okoni or Maye school. How that woman, how it can't get that intelligence? When they know say that they carry pikin come abroad. You not go school. You not go school. Look at her. Or when you watch my school, she have that brain. Ona move you think about it. Ona move like webo. Every summer, that woman they go to greet the pikin for Italy. For Italy. Where did you guys put your brain? So this is you wear mwere no who wear she. You wear mwere she. Poverty. There is some people, that they escape poverty, they will escape that poverty for the rest of their life. They don't escape that poverty. There is some people, if they escape poverty, they will still land inside that poverty. Okay. See you later, mommy. They will, for the rest of their life, they go there inside poverty. They cannot break that poverty. That they see some people here breaking poverty. Look at this useless Suzy. She's so fucking useless. For my team, more like Webo. Benin women, they are more like Webo. Benin women, they bring their children to Europe. They still build house for Nigeria. He don't make that blah. No fear. Can't they send me message? Me I build house, I give mama, say, mama, carry, they use until they collect rent. Then you come they talk to me, you they crazy. Me bo where you me. Ya rent. No way. Come they say they send message, don't give love. It is a beyond me. I don't be Benin woman, but I the zanzan grand for Benin. Me Benin, I buy land for Benin dear. The build house for Benin. Wagwa. No, je vais hi. Brrrr. See as a mama when you take polo for grand. See as a mama. A mama as a mama they scatter house. Ekenugweje na to buy fish, buy stockfish, buy all the day stockfish. I think they stockfish man. Go see as a mama. Rubbish. Mami omonu gba oge. Okpa no we are lana. Now frustration where you don't frustrate say without you no carry pikin, your life no go better. Now it make you go back on no abandon more the Spain. You go back to Spain, go carry the pikin for Spain. Ona abandon we no ya abandon or Nigeria. Area we TV ya abandon in or Spain. Before we ya money, may you see pass road. May you see say if they do something for the country, you go the reach in hand. I make can go carry that pikin. You are a useless mother. Your mother no go one. You can't they send message to me and be your mate. You they mad. You they crazy. You they mad. When mighty Bowan you wear. Where some women there for beneath for they and Bowa money ya rate. Mama go use and go they take rent. Yeah, rent. Man, we good lovely. I build her for mama. I tell mama say carry go there. Not be the house mama they stay. That was say mama, yeah, rent. Go they collect rent for the house. Not be the house mama they live. The mama die. Mama don't sleep for that house one. They don't live for that house one. They rent or a rent. Now they go collect for the house. Come. Because person not they fool myself. As now not they plan. Now because they run, they go Nigeria without I don't arrange my grant. Wait, where you pay now? Reach Nigeria they pay yeah. Yeah, I say Nigeria now. Uncle they tell say Ghana hi bobo, Ghana hi mina. Yeah, they say bobo. Don't they fool yourself?
I'll go tomorrow. I will go party tomorrow. I never go collect my
useless woman. What is a party? Why think we well like Weibo? You will go party tomorrow. At the end of the day, if you reach party, the cloth when they go party, rubber. You can't even buy better lace. Where the better lace? Get tell you say no mujo. Only where mama me where mujo. But when I cheap articles now, when people they do for a bar, I take your cloth wear all the way from Belgium. All the way for Belgium. See cloth where you wear. Nylon bag. Oh, we had the part. More like we see, I for head the make oh Jacques no Jamie or Atoge. I bet do video me analyze now.
I'll go my tailor place tomorrow in the morning. That is if I don't go.
Iyo wege boy. Iyo wege na. When ni na ma. The people that want to frustrate in future the way you frustrate, now they go listen to this your inyo wege. So you think say go party, dress, go party. Oh my go. Show what you have. Show your property. Your pikin when you throw away for Nigeria, as you if you come back, not spend 3 months. May your pikin I wear or what's away, but after 3 months, we are now with like Weibo. The gentleman said, well, waiting my maid do I want to. Oh!
But if I go Boyi, now when I come from Boyi, then we'll go collect my clothes. So me.
Which cloth you go still wear? A bucket. Na rag. Now you go see wear. Now you wear you get tailor. Ever say Nigeria no way the better lace. I will go now use 1 million naira ya delays. Or we use 500,000 ya delays. Oh, I had delays ni amuno yoto ni 1,000 per yard. Or they 5 years 5,000 naira. Or mugi a local tailor. Or mugi say only say 5,000 naira for her. So I don't care we do that way. Well, like we bo. That is why at the solo you more like we bo. Oh, it will be no one. Coin.
I be your weather. I be your papi king. I be your canoe king. Oka. Okay. Oka people na.
Na it be oka. Na it be eweka. Na it be udo. Na it be usen. Na it be here. Na it be here. Go away. Oyeme ghosty. Oyeme ghosty don't frustrate. A ghosty don't frustrate in market. A ghost when you want go mission. You don't say that is a ghost. They will go mission. If they don't fulfill that mission, area we are you. We are in a ghost. Away you zene on the mill. Ha ha. Ooh. Ah, you don't know for where people even the living go say go back to your grave. Go back to your grave. Oh, yeah, spirit no your mission. No mighty for fear mission no you. Yeah, it be like ghost. Uhu no why show no re. See, medicine where they chop now show for your face. So cancer medicine.
You understand? So, good evening, Mama. Rita Kokobirite Life. They call you adulterous. No, man, now. Only they tell me who.
You be adulterous now. Whether you know where type ban, then adulterous you were here. You say we na must be evae. No be easy no. Now wait Rita here. Now make Rita come do the video. Rita where out there where you to where on we bo. Away. Away we na must be evae. Rita na we yete where oge boy ye on we bo. Adulterous. They don't tell you. Oh yeah, valor. Nah lie you lie. Not be you talk say you the fuck kokobiri. Oh why ona no ya gui orion bawi e saga reni. Ona ti he dey fuck this, he dey fuck fakofan, he dey fuck that one, he dey fuck that one. I can't do voice recording for us say you not fit do saga without you not talk say you don't fit do ashawo. I do whether the recording go still dey now. I will go check am. I can't say I go short the recording. I go show am. I will say I'll 50 cents and come here. Me I not dey lie. I will try how I want to do am. I got to say now wow. You not fit do live video. Say you just talk come for there without you not going to display how you take fuck. You not fit do live video. Now me tell her that I say if you want do saga. Not they tell they say you fit do ashawo. You go like bese. I'll check whether I will see the voice recording. I say voice recording for that. I say, what do they talk? Not if you do saga enter house. Why they say you don't do ashawo? Now that time with Orion Bad the quarry. Anyway, oh, you not say you did that time. You not they tell Orion Ba, your Orion Ba. You not they tell us say you fuck fakofan, you fuck fako this. You fought this one. Anyway, I was saga. Anyway, I go your way saga ni. Suzy. Anyway, I go your way saga ni. You have to wear a black meya. Ya. E kin ya kokon. We mata. Wa afule buwa. I beg get out of here, man. We can see where they say you no go school.
Then the Kokobiri young way, but we wait as the way married. Or we are not working on operation. They will first of all answer. They don't believe in Jesus.
Yeah, that way. Ashawoda. The boy a beledi, eh? Oh, man. Hey, Kitsa. See the way it be. Oh. Oh, frustration. Very local. Very locability.
Even that was lesphobia. No mana.
I better pass you. May one better pass you. I don't see her. I better pass you. You not gonna fit out to me. You not gonna fit out to me. I better pass you. You not get children when you train for school. You back be like beg. You do a shower, do a shower for Italy. Go Spain, go to a shower. Come Belgium, come to a shower. Rita said the room when they built for them, I don't know they do a shower. Small room. Eh? When on your Nigeria, when my team will you wear it, I am not listening. Who swear for me? I don't see your DC. I'm a baby. Now I swear for I mean even swear for now. I give you now woto. That time she called the say she loved my father. You know what? I don't get papa when they love you. My papa don't die. She can't call me. As he can't come and say, your papa fine. Your papa not very handsome man. Your papa not very handsome man. Your papa too fine. I say, wait till this on the talk. He can't go come for the second day. He can't come for that one live video say, hey, they can't debate for my papa. He now love my papa. Now to say, which papa? Me, I get papa. My papa, I don't tell when my papa die. Because they talk say they want marry my papa. Say my papa, see, he now they fell in love with old man. He now they fell in love with old man. Old man, when I talk say, I don't know, I not be my papa. He now fall in love with old man. Oh, why you now a papa, they lovely. Come and see your papa, and I say, because they find story. Later, now they say that they do video. Now they say, mama say that they do video, that they debate, say they love your papa. Your papa too handsome. He ain't what time? Oh, well, he love lovely papa. You know what? He wish lovely papa. Well, now love, I am not listening to you. because you know they feel all my saga. You know they feel all my saga. When we're going say, I they tell you the reality. Not be me with you. Because they tell say I fuck, I do a shower. I don't do a shower the way when you take do a shower. The reality when they tell you carry your pikin come abroad. Now they tell you. You know say na the fact. You they like to they escape my saga. Why you they escape my saga? Oh yeah, talk. When already transit in ya, when my team will be where a transit in where transit, Ibobo where ya transit ya will be where a transit where the day now which no way transit. Omale suwa. Wait, the day when I go reach Nigeria, I go boss social media. It may boss social media. When I say the way when I tell you use passport, it boss social media. It don't may ya boss. I will stay for my house for Benin. Now at the Roma, you know, we do before we bring come out. We not they shout. We not they bring have something come out. So a transit to where transit in ya. When my team will be where where transit is say. When where Nigeria say where is some more in Nigeria. On the Wemu no Raveki. Your men they transit their children, they come abroad. You they carry Ibobo, Egile, Iyon, Ure, now they carry they come. Iyon, Wakiko, Suzy, Mulai Webo, and the Wemu no Raveki. Carry your pikin come abroad. You should be ashamed of yourself. Your mama dead this your you think your mama come. If they show your mama, Nana, so your mama be like person when you don't buy. Oh yeah, talk. I don't see this place.
So, my tally, told me.
My matter they pay now. When it comes to my matter, you don't want to make it hear my matter. I they give her woto. She not say, I mean they hit the point for your head. When it reach lovely, if you like, make it saga all the people where they social media. When it reach where I did, I know I'm finished. Ori tohore. You know, I don't wait till they escape. Bro, no talk. I don't not even fear. I don't get anything when I want to come. When I want to come blackmail you, or when I want to talk, Only what I want to tell you, carry your children, come abroad. More well like webo. More well like webo. That is what we are talking about. More well like webo. You know the one when it comes to my place, if she no go fit stand me, the Chris. We're not everywhere, yeah. You were not the crazy the way where you be. You don't see my picture for where you dey. I too low, I be like angel. You see, huh? Oh man, the girl who I think make you they laugh all of una. I'm a laugher. You know, you were trying to be laughing, but you don't feel laugh the way well of it they laugh. Oh man, the girl or a gear. Oh man, the girl or a serious. Since I did this social media, you don't ever say I will go to bed. I always laugh because they go oh yeah, talk. When no travel nya, when my team will be weary. When my team will be well like webo. Inu ba we can ye Nigeria before we can move you weary. The menya on we Facebook nya. It be like saying at the third time now when they go Nigeria be this so. For Facebook oh, the third time ye done. No my team will be like webo. Aye guan, we go guan. And never frustrate you where we go guan. When no JK here, nothing there with you, no passport. You don't get passport. When a passport, 2 years you will say you manage. 2 years. You they talk to a whole Netherlands citizen. A Netherlands citizen will go guan, nothing when you get. Oh wow, mighty do wa webo. You they talk to me. You they crazy. Oh yeah, come. I beg that's the way you buy for AliExpress. Carry and go a Gausa. Whether they go give you shishi for where? Well, like webo. Carry your picky bro. Now I lovely they tell you. The time when they give it, the day I wish woto that time. He can't call me. Hey, my picky. If he just graduates now, he will just come Europe. He will come take masters. Now the day I wish they give him woto. He can't they enter her body. Well like webo. Shame on you. Well like webo. We are the ticket in your way. They laugh you from Nigeria. You know. Here where he already don't tell Ibobo. Already don't tell Ibobo. Ibobo to adele yehi. Who not say that they laugh you? A family where you wagyu where more almighty more like webo. Your family they laugh you say you know if you carry piki come abroad. He argue where. No Mike no weae. Oh he. Iwe no Mike no weae. I mean now so you go taste it from one corner. One corner. Now so you taste it from one corner. You can never see the copper doing for the corner. Where you know they travel. You know they travel. The last time I checked, you see they where you did. Where travel? Oh my normal travel. Oh Emma say oh my no travel. Any they travel no joke. As you don't go Nigeria rich, nothing. Health or where show. Beauty where show. Nothing. The building now. When it day now 2020 to 2025. What you don't feel achieve nothing. 2025 now. What you feel achieve nothing. You buy ticket now, you want to go carry Ibobo. Ibobo, Kibobo, or meme, kita. I talk. We're not carry boss in Nigeria, can weje. See, amigo from abroad, reach Nigeria, will come day here. You are not settled. Fair carry your pikin come. The ticket, do I Nigeria ya book lega? Why you not they buy ticket for yes, say you can't like dance? If London, why you not they buy ticket go London for dance? Why you not they go France? Why you not they go Italy? Why you not they buy ticket they go there? Where UK? Sister Meg, if Sister Meg they abroad, you see they go dance. You go dance for Spain. You will go dance for IT. You will go dance for Germany. You will go dance for different places. In Nigeria, we now jiku agbinwe. where ye kuwebo, where you have $5 webo. Oh, where the 5,000 naira one, or where you kwafone, or you rag ya mu picture, a rag. Where ye webo, you cannot motivate anybody. Where to motivate me where a Suzy day Nigeria. I can't say person day Nigeria. Where Suzy I won't go. A Suzy go there inside car. The car where Suzy go there. Make una check the car. E yak bi wen. You know how to Rita? Rita said the car where you they carry. Say when they carry, you say the car or bi wen. I am more finish that one. More complete Rita. Oh, I have one. So now Morocco you for the transit. When man let the direct ticket, come board for Netherland here. Now they don't board the Netherland. When man let it, Morocco where we la, Morocco, poverty-stricken people like me now. If I want to go Nigeria, I'm going to do transit at the Chris. I go Skipo. Go enter fly for Skipo direct to Nigeria. Direct. Your mates from London. They were from London. Begin and come. From Skipo for here to Nigeria. So when I get James, Belgium, you transit for Morocco. Because wow or why I give advice. So now Morocco, if I do your transaction, oh my God, no, me God no let me, Morocco airway, now you carry. O ma say 600 euro. This laugh when they laughing, they pay now. Because she herself don't say the laugh when they laugh, now disgrace laugh, now they laugh. Now wow, Morocco. Better when I let the then I wish they follow Morocco airway. Oh, I let the day why disgrace ugwa. Oh, mama, what feel Nigeria? I show now look better in Nigeria. There where one more like we, but where look better in Nigeria. Women when they carry their children come Europe, here look better in Nigeria. Oh, me are London, yeah. You know, see that woman. You know, see her if he go travel from London, go greet the pikin for IT. Some women from IT, they were from there travel, come greet their children for Netherlands. Some women from Netherlands, they were from here travel, they go greet their children for United Kingdom. Eventually, when I get Nigeria, ever una dirty children day. Now make una they go Nigeria. Dirty children. Now there they also about the make okay and work here. Okay and work here. We need 3 witches. The waka one and waka. The most stinking people. Common house for Europe. Here one room enyange. Bonona good total. 1 bedroom apartment when you both day. Now this one follow you both the manage. You know one pay house rent. You don't want to pay 3 bedroom apartment. You know if you buy a house for years. Common European passport, you know they with them. Or what they don't know say. This one a day na wish. This one with a boy. There be useless women to Edo State. You marry try and make a. You can go to the iPhone the ticket you let you in Nigeria. Even more in Nigeria. I don't get. Even more in Nigeria, ni akiana the Morocco ticket here in Nigeria. Morocco will not transit when the women or Aleki. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Transiting Morocco from Belgium, reach Morocco from Morocco, enter fly go Nigeria. You are ashamed. You are ashamed. The day when if I want travel, may you see her, you go see me for Skipo Airport. Direct to Nigeria. If I see they come, direct they come. You go see the line when I go stay. Line where people wear whole passport. Country passport. Now the line I go stay. You dey crazy. This will be your mate. This will be your mate. I be went down. Already Nigeria I say Nigeria. I will ye ra. I will go come if face will come be like Okuta na beefing. If face go be like Okuta when for the crack pakan, they go be like stone. Where you Nigeria transit lady. So when man movie when the Nigeria like webo, so you can't even buy direct tickets. What the direct tickets? When man where got the direct ticket from here? May I tell you everywhere when you go fit buy tickets. Say if you don't want enter Morocco airline go Nigeria. Begin from Belgium there. Begin go this thing. Go France. If you reach the France airline, use a France airline. No. A France airline near you. If you take France airline, you don't land for Nigeria with that. If you they come back, see take France airline. Oh, it's you the advice person, it's you the talk to person. So where they advise near leluwe. God forbid. Ọmọ we say yo we na gbupu pe. That we na we ma bie aganhi. Where yo wa. Because who you want go meet for house? Who you want go meet for house? Ọmọ we say we na gbupu pe. You can't even buy direct tickets to Nigeria. Direct ticket. You can't buy direct ticket to Nigeria. I'm not still listening to you. You don't ever transit go UK. Where you UK there? Where it like UK? Where it like UK? If I want to go to UK now, I don't need passport. Visa in my passport. But if you want to go UK now, you go need visa. If I want to go UK, I don't need visa. Now my letter one passport now will take enter. We they arrange something. Not in a way now they arrange at the end of the day. Now go see go back to where now for they come. I one. Now me they give up because he knows say you know say if he by mistake mention my name or comment a right hand. Comment now that they shame you. They'll say, lovely, don't give you woto. You go pay now. You know they feel my saga now. I hope don't know banya. You go carry bini woman come bezansan. But anybody when they bezansan, make una tell her say, lovely, they call you. Now let me want they tell her waiting the entire brain. Carry your pikin come, he can ya so lelue. I don't have children in Nigeria and he can't take ticket here in Nigeria. If I want to go to Nigeria, I go to Nigeria in my comfort place. Or I can't in Nigeria. Anyway, I miss my pikin. I miss my grandpikin. I don't see they go Nigeria. I want to go look my children face. So no, my children stay with me for a year. I train my children second-handedly. You know, say when you're in Nigeria, you go to work here book in Nigeria. Make book. I cannot what Bajeri ever baste where they built the king of king ever king a king book. You never see where king they rent house. King palace dead there. Ever munahi. I'm a king. You know the day when king go come on for area. Street everywhere. Street is Zahaya where Ogie Dagbari. Ogie make him. But one why go plan? Because you don't know how to plan. Look at your stinking life. See where you there. You where they go to Nigeria every day. See where you day. Girl, see where you day. She don't have house of her own. It's a shame. Kaya because you say, me don't mention the name. No, mention your name. My name is they give her pepper there. See, and they go crazy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You know, he don't say this laugh when they laugh. And they use after they put shame for your body. When you wear gear, say, your laugh is tears. My own, they give you shame. When you're only way lovely, but when you laugh, it can make me laugh. You know, when my laugh cannot give you tears. My laugh, they make people they laugh. Oh, who where? Here I go get where frustration nothing. Oh, what frustrate? Make back bear. I bet you go. I bet that thing can go. That's where they come out for ear. I bet carry a go Agansa, whether Agansa fee give you 2 million naira. They know what dig bani, eh? Wari Agansa. You carry a go Agansa now. Maybe Agansa go give you 2 point something. Yes. 2 point something. If na real one, Agansa go give you 2 point something million. If na real one of Yari Agansa, why do I tell you now they go Nigeria poverty sticking people? Now Nigeria don't go they practice on madness. Yari Agansa, even where you na ye beni reni eh. Carry they go Agansa, whether money go follow you rich as they craze. If me reach Nigeria, anything where it dey my body, na money. We dey show the receipt. Oh yeah. Agbagba. Yeah. Of your to. You dey carry, you dey discharge Ungwogoro AliExpress Ungwogoro. Oh, hello no raveki. You dey discharge AliExpress Ungwogoro. They come out for body. Poverty stinking people. Egbema okuwa whitey okegbuwa. Look at you alone now. Egbema okuwa abono. 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 Okay, when ya I'm not we marriage in Nigeria. We mado. Owa we are in Nigeria ya we marriage. We mau we moderate in Nigeria we marriage, we traditional marriage, we marriage nu. It go occasion. Yeah, it take picture for occasion. Now that one, I they tell people say, oh, you both marry me. And then Yahweh marriage. No, na tell us say me bridge osusu. Okuku na they call her be osusu. Okuku when tie. The day when you both marry, I'm gonna tell us say me bring her come. She can't talk. Now only me what they offer. If they say lovely, say message to you. That commenter, thank you. A commenter. Now God go bless you. We go remember and say, lovely, they give you woto for that side. And she they see the video. She they see the video and they woto. You don't see her. You don't see her. What about that Todoribo? See your own as sponge. Aya. Egbe kind. Every home. You say lovely. If they wash me now, if you remember, and he don't already wash me, when you remind them, say, lovely, give you woto. Body go de pepperan. Body go pepperan. You see, if you look the one where she for talk about Rita, body pepperan shao, but you know pepperan reach the one when I tell her. He knows I know they follow and play. Make way cool. Yeah. You know the Ungwogoro AliExpress. You go gather money, osusu money. Oya ye Nigeria. Osusu money ni hanamwe. 1,000 osusu money ni arete kokomu ne de na winch. Eya ya yowa. Every say 7,000 euro money. Every say 7,000. Osusu money. Oh. Here we kokomu ne we ya the tickets. Make you listen to them. Here we kokomu we ya the tickets. Oh. You know what? You not shame the shame us. Make I press and make I go bring this thing.
It's now. Maybe I see you. That is another thing. When they hear that, it's not we should let the bomb the now go she. Now, yeah, everybody. You have seen any how you will be here. Back on service, you may. When I'm here, transit. The mother stand up when we don't body go. You have a way, my video no use.
Il dépend. Il t'appelle. Person when come for abroad. Oh, don't come on. Why we don't know you want in Nigeria? See, that guy no post this thing. Oh, My poster. Oh, wait. That blogger, boss lady. Eya obege me we live video wa mu. Wait oh, no be you are the fine. I'll be a go so to Igoro, no money. Wait, not be him be this one. Oh, the guy don't come out. Guys. No, I will see that guy today. Oh yeah, wait oh, Mona wait, make I find the girl. He not the this way I do. He knows how they give him woto. I they give him. Why not go give him? If your neck quack from that. Oh, wait, make I check whether that girl will be here. Say to me when I watch this video. Say to me. I don't see the girl. The girl don't come out. Ah, he don't come out. I the girl now. Ah. If they say lovely message to her, be kind. Be kind. I don't see that girl. Boss lady aproko when they carry my video. Only one with video me Boss lady aproko fan that. I share that girl this thing. Why not gonna go? Rita go school pass you now. Rita get school somewhere now. Rita go school somewhere. Rita get school somewhere. Wageto no mu you in Nigeria. Wageto no mu you in Nigeria. Oh. Wageto. Morocco airline. E already 1,500 numu osusu abi 1,200 numu osusu. E already enwea. 100 euro every month. E already osusu nwea. Oh, gao reba oya deep yari we. E already 1,000 euro osusu. E already enwe. Ene kwe mu no rave. Ki already 1,000 euro osusu no. E already ene. Ori Nigeria. Oya talo. Go one when not talo. Who be that person for abroad? You go to live for this kind of house. Okay, go one not talo. Everyone go boy. Everyone go boy. You know, get house of our own. And then in Nigeria, the mamu na we ma yema. Go away. Go boy deep here. Yeah.
Not to hear what pressure they will first of all give thanks to Almighty the Creator.
Shut up, Unuje. The time when you go do your cancer, when they operate your cancer, this thing, cancer. Now they forget cancer that time, neck. And they forgo operating cancer, so that they reduce it. They can't come out so that may not quick buy. See lead when do for face.
Believe in Jesus. They don't believe in Muhammad. They don't believe, but they believe in Creator.
You bagman with be. They believe in God. They don't believe in Muhammad. What of Muhammad? What of Muhammad's daughter? They don't believe in Muhammad. Before they will do this, they know they call Muhammad. Where background we say, they not frustrate.
He's 55.
They 55 years old. Oh, Giana age. Oh, Giana age. 55 years old. When I was young.
Daughter said, a daughter that made to save his
Shut up, go back to school, illiterate. She said she be doctor. Now be not all the fellow they do saga. Doctor not they talk. Doctor they talk. Now go to some places. Doctor they talk. They say, will you shut up? Go back to school. Not be go back to school. They tell you now. Go back to school. Now they tell you now. Go back to school. Will you shut up? There. Will you go back to school? Go on. Set your brain. Go and put your brain in order. Go back to school. Don't talk to me. If you are not a doctor, don't talk to me. They pay there. Only I make here. Only anytime you time away. Oh yeah.
A better topic where I rebuke you and I reject you. That's a doctor. My married pot when a sister. Who went in there?
Go report her now. Go report her. You not guy in this thing. When you guy in there now, in there and everything. Go report her. Where who? I will work now. Okay, where doctor where who? Why ordinary cleaner? Where you cleaner yo? Now we beg you where you So now Morocco, when now you enter, now you the same message they give people. But your Morocco 600 euro make like inside this month. Inside this January when they day so your money for ticket make bole. Any me ya dukmo, any me ya donna, your money for ticket. Uma plan que nous gère Nigeria. Aye silly renya. They're not they silly like this again. Any houses when you they see now that they carry powerful DC, they can wedge. Umaiti rejoin na yo jare. Uwe ade with Oyibo. Oh, you not fit invite your mama come Europe. Ade with Oyibo. Oh, you not fit invite your daughter come Europe. Even the small boy when he still born, that one don't come out for your house. That one not there with time again because that one not fit stay with Oyibo because the boy he don't already they grow. Oh, shame on you. So on Morocco airline, how you carry? Why you like Morocco airline? You send a message. If you want to send message for me, enter board for Netherlands here. Come board, from Germany, from Belgium to Netherlands. You don't reach anything. Come board for here. Just take flight from Belgium. Come down from Schiphol Airport. From Schiphol there, carry your Ezidi Horo, use and board for Schiphol go Nigeria. Now go they know so now go Nigeria. Now Nigeria. I'm you wa no here. I'm your bed in here. When on my Nigeria say why me uke bed in one day. Why me a bed in one day. I'm here a bed. I'm here a better ukoni. They'll say this is furniture ukoni. Eribo. Furniture house or river. Try may you bring the place where you are living. You still don't be like person when still you even your house arrest self. Now even better pass my own. You just sit there house arrest. You there abroad. You there house arrest. If I abroad, they know they see where you they stay. Me, if I my house, they see him. If I they go outside, they see him. You still there Nigeria. They don't see where you they stay for Nigeria. Phone to my yao. Where they stand their phone. Let's see the beauty of the area where you are living. The roof of motor don't fall, come down. Roof of motor. Now don't say don't fall. No motor when they enter, when they carry better engine. The motor no lao ungogoro. You too poor. What you too poor? You have susu nue. You have 1,500 euros susu nue. Ele huemu no raveki. 1,500 euros. When your mate they below for Europe, he ain't below Europe. Where I coke. Uri are Nigeria. Where you the ticket, where no okay. You go carry and go. Go to use until they buy crayfish, boga fish. Why are there for me? My people, you ready? Where more like where bo down. Ije no fiye ke gbowie. Now you back your pikin. Ije no fiye ke gbowie. But like we bo, aren't you ashamed of yourself? All Benin women when they're born for Nigeria at that time, their children they are abroad. Even if they with their children they fight. They will say, "Was say women no." The day here na better pass say or Nigeria. Don't Nigeria they say you bewa mufua. See your life. Nothing to bring nothing. See where you day. I show you many things just now. House when they vote now. If I have where house no when they vote. Not be this kind of place when you day. Old things. They say when old things pass away, new thing go come. You don't dey inside old thing. Even Bible talk. Bible said it. No more say no more na 90 billigidi no dates. Now the house she still dey enter. When they born who where, me compound no who where. Everybody don't use the house to do saga for this social media. Am I me who wear one day? Am I me who wear ye ladian? I wear one no Suzy, or one no Suzy, or ye ladian. Eh, woman, you can't me ye ladian. Oh, he move your Facebook. Bah, Iana. All of them say, because they say, hey, lovely guy. I give him. I don't see what he. That one went more to keep it. You know see what he talk. He say lovely, not to go Nigeria. Lovely, bogwa yesan or bogwa yedo. You know see what he talk. You know see what your friend talk. Before that one went caterpillar keep it key. Before he started, they say, he want to look for me. He go check on me. When he go check on me, the person when he go check on me for you, I tell him, say, I say, the lovely year, forget that thing when lovely they do for social media. The day when she want to saga me, what is she talk? And the caterpillar go we caterpillar not go we boy. You know what he boy talk? Boy say, who Nigeria? Who bought why yesan? Who bought why yedo? You don't see her. When my beg, when one of Nigeria, when is so? Why was that? Why was the ticket to go to Nigeria? Why was the Morocco ticket? Why was one of our board who was a Germany mina board Belgium? We all want to say for Morocco. We come from Morocco board. From Morocco board, I made they take direct. I shall remind him of you warena. Appian way. And now appian way it can never become reality. That way they not to wagele take direct. You will know how the system they work. Appian way. Why think appian way ya? Only the way when your feet use appian way take carry your pikin con you. You can follow Lakpaduza route. Almighty you wear the Morocco route. Almighty you wear the Lakpaduza route. Thank God say. Wait. Thank God say. Shut up. Rita when we go back to school. I will say Lakpaduza say you born plenty children for Nigeria at that time. Area ware Nigeria be. He say ya tell your sisi boa. He take boa obia nya is ready obia gige obia we batch on alije. Because say which kind mother be this one? How this woman you get my sha? Go say even your daughter, even her friends now go they will say her your mama get my do. Why was in Nigeria? Why is okofo? Or why we back? You know they carry you come abroad. Why my any near talelu when anything? No my can you we are. You don't know your daughter friends when their mama the way when they leave your daughter from Nigeria at that time. They're not there Nigeria again. As you tell leave your daughter for Nigeria, there is some women when they see leave their daughter that time, they don't bring their daughter come. Most of them say if they reach Nigeria, then they go visit your daughter. Your mama never see carry you come abroad. They say your mama you not carry me come. They say no carry me come for how many years? For how many years? No, now they tell us on they go house. Then they tell which go say they go out. That one they sleep for back of Imama. Back of him for restaurant house. Yeah, boy, 2 rooms. Here where 2 rooms, you know. Je say now one man, I give him the 2 rooms. Rent 2 rooms for rent. Or I don't care where boring. And I don't see the background. A background in here, je poverty stinking background. Night the day. And the kwemu no like one more we want like we bo. No, not they make mount. Because the showcase one as on the showcase. No Benin woman they do this kind of showcase. A Benin women and showcase this dirty showcase. Where I'm a Benin woman or a location or one or a couple in or can't buy your occasion. See, Julie that language they be Mama Joy friend. You know see the time last is it last year be last 2 years. Where mother remote no where mother couple. You know see couple. You know see couple. You know say and I don't reach where it today and I don't get fed up. You know say as you reach where they just have something bitter on my bitter something pain bitter where. Cause I mean they tell her the reality. Rita, if you want Sagara, tell her say, hey, go ahead, back man. we no mo we like we bo make carry pikin kan omo no mu fie Nigeria we no mu like we bo just dey use that one take dey hit am boy all le kokoko bia you work all bia you expect you go cook egg you go pack am for under luggage you don't even carry better luggage sef they don't have better luggage you have better luggage yeah all those jagbajasti this thing yeah le kokoko if you cook egg you go pack and put you go come use cloth to cover am you go come pack bugatti rolling armpit deodorant you go pack and put you go from Europe buy pad you go load down you go give it pikin whether he pikin he get issue of blood who knows Suzy you wear on issue of blood yeah he get issue of blood no na can we both the pump and the party job when a child of 40 something years Suzy see they buy part for when a kick be Suzy Suzy ona wa we kick bo we as market buy mama Suzy see use the market take buy pikin can you imagine Suzy pikin no fit they buy pad we biaka there in Nigeria when small children they don't reach 14 15 then they buy pad by themselves. Suzy see they buy pad for Europe go they give it pikin make the whole hand make the whole hand now no I take the whole hand make the whole hand useless woman you come and you call talk to people when better pass you for your mind say as they don't go Nigeria the day when I go reach Nigeria you see for your mind say na this kind of place oh my God bullshit even if say I go Ishan I not only for this kind of place me live yama where me a total we do are you not Facebook now I mean I be hit am he hit a boy that day na lovely you not get good lovely not get I can't the loot there when I carry one goat come out iyamalawa they no enter house I get my property tie lovely you not get Hollandis lovely not get Hollandis I chest am do you know how many Hollandis I get for inside my house you must say anyway mama you get Hollandis why you know they so then say me I know they get time for those things I get time bomb anything you say lovely come bring come I go give you now passport I fed take the shock now carry a passport till down some people say we think say not ordinary document I should go bring come out to passport now me now they run this irrelevant package when they know they arrange they be not too well they be not too well your mates you know they see house when your mate they stay yeah planted television where that planted television you see city room AC go dead there now no well ye kakara kan wa ko when they ula outside sun go beat you inside the heat when he hit zik go beat you by this time he hit zikia he hit zik POP where POP yowa no zik parafet and all no zik no son where we work with motor no can allow igbe only wa to ba don't come roll up don't come roll your glass down a woman that is comfortable I work with motor you know they roll glass down you go on AC well I was in Nigeria lovely I thought Nigeria lovely you never travel now also how boy give me travel this can't travel now see digena nothing emi ro pa kere mo well like we bo some people they go Nigeria sef they go even help somebody for their street oh well sister you tell me opportunity you mommy go always okay how much you want you say how much you want you go say okay can hear me ya say we bo he said there just give me 2 months I go 2 months I go send there go sit down go give am this one nothing you know na waje unu waje oh we iye wewe any ruwe kwegbe no re o mai mi o tona re ladian you never see chance you ask her now whether Rita talk to her you don't tell where you get Rita for in mind you never see where bring her come we know all of us they do saga oluwagu gbina only man so wa Man now better person. Our been ya we mosusu no ya osusu wa ya yo kwa na madam osusu 1500 eni amu ne tete na wish yan ye sie ya se na osusu when they give a tete na wish they see they draw a tete na wish the osusu can't reach today the tete na wish never 50 pay osusu the people when with the tete na wish they do osusu together the tete na wish begin to the saga all of them just because they tell am me bring osusu money come fuel there wa we wa like we bo wa we are Nigeria Obi why mommy take this 500 euro. Wamamu they say oh no we so far. Suzy too where just is so far. At this age, Obi why someone say mommy I will buy your ticket. Obi why go say mommy I will buy your ticket. Two where you strong go, no susu. Two where you strong go. Shut up. Two where you strong go, wo susu. Ya the ticket ya the Nigeria work ya one say. Oh, when already Nigeria, you also suppose no way ya same you were told. Oh, your day when they your head, you go help you do a way to be where control the no who. I remember or moreover when mommy carry money, go salon, go and use it to do your hair. I didn't know never. Nothing. Me now if I want to come out now, my daughter will say, mommy, take. Even my last born, my son will say, mommy, take. Use it to buy anything you like. Use it to buy hamburger. You see, if my children now, all of them now, they don't use their occupation till they work. If I they go Nigeria, not be me go buy ticket by myself. And I will say, mommy, I take money buy. You know how much this? I will say, mommy, take this. Mommy, take this. You go boo boo. I already know bello romo. Omo ki bello roria. Where you to boo where? It's saggy where you lona. If when you lose an old woman like this, when you don't feel put something for children life. In future, esagi on rilo, esagi, esagi on rilo, or ese wamnya onore Suzy, or ye wokuta, it be like stone. It's true for face. Esagi we low. Ne kwedo ni amu omo ngiari. Iya wo mo no ngiari gui. Iya we yije la o se or ijo se. Ije working. They will use money to pet their pikin. Ije working. Ije waiting one make a buy for you. Ije okay, give me your account. Ije. Your mama say, I bet leave me oh. You want to come again? Leave me oh. Your mama go see you sister go see collect the money. Iya they settle. Esa again where he low. Eti where he low. Where letting. Eti no where more fail. Your strength are left you long time. Now blood. Now you going to use. Now you make your eye. Make gagaraga for face. Bolu koshe wotao. Bolu koshe wotao. Because it's again where you low. All those things you are shouting now, we say Nigeria shout. Like me now, yeah, it's a Nigeria. If person write comments, only waiting they go write, oh. They'll say, barrister. Now you say that, now you get this house. I say, yes, now this is my bunk. Now congratulations. Now they go to tell me, congratulations. Ne Suzy yare webo. O my two gie. O my kyowa one day. O we, o is in Nigeria. O ikyowa. Yeah, what Facebook will now maybe her match. You know they want to hear me at all. That time that they debate on my I will ashawo down. They're going to find my palais prick. I call it a platform no the caterpillar bowie. But my papa lovely fine well. Papa lovely fine well. Papa lovely fine well. Ah, this man too fine. Ah, this man don't tourist. This man prick go big well. Yeah, now they come they fall for old man prick. Yeah, now for your prick no go na man way. So this man, these people that they fall in love with you. That they fall in love with you because me graduate no man. They are me graduate no man. I for connect that. Suzy, connect and give my papa. I say Nigeria, make my papa go to follow on the. No, my papa no fit fuck Ashawo. He got one way they call my papa that time. I tell my papa say, now Ashawo they call you. My papa say, Ashawo team anyway. Now baba Ashawo it's you well Orukbo. You there road work. Now my papa say, my papa don't call the carry Ashawo full call again. Betty, any why you were connected, I won't at the Chris. Look, I go give him disease when follow now. I will need you who are you who are one hear you who. Here are you who. A me, or was a book. But the doctor say, lovely, send message to you. No, not just me that one for yeah. No, not just my they give a gaga. Time bolo egbe at the peace king or le coco. Your mates, they carry container, they go house. A coco or we pack your tech betty. Yamugo, where we a coco. Where off the coco off the why you not do your in-law house? Why not they go na in-law house? If we saw Royaka we bori. I did my in-law place so. Here are the two law for me. In-law the doctor my in-law can't greet me today. Oh, go why you radio. I read webo. I they go Nigeria. Who want no Latina man you a buware nothing to bring out of you guys' life. Dirty place. I am not listening to you.
Even that useless phobia. No manner.
If you don't talk my name, be one kind. You don't carry our condemn go goro. You don't drop go goro. They read gold where if did your quay who via your table. A read gold where pull who have your container no your packet ya you keep the be kind. Magbera wani ne mare go be now Okikude. Ọmọ àti mo bí ẹ là webo ikú ọyọ. Ọmọ àti mo bí ẹ webo ikú ọjọ́. Egbe kan. Orise. Illiterate. Oh, he must evacuate because he must evacuate. Orizoko. Ele Nigeria ya Orizoko. Ele kwemu. Wa ti mo bi wa la webo Orizoko. Izoko. Oh. Suzy wo la webo. Ewo ni agu we gbo keke we Nigeria. Even where you frustrated you were. In wa like that way they to well more we well like webo. I will say you carry your pikin come. Those people no will follow you still. You go say, that one will carry pikin come. I'm not going to do this nonsense. That one carry pikin come abroad. I mean, so Benin women when they carry their children come abroad, they are not the queen see auntie for their house, uncle for their house, brother for their house. They go they verse. They'll say that one went with the pikin there abroad. I mean, one go in house, go they follow on the chop. You know, they say some people they will say, oh, I know they go in house. Me? Oh yeah, whatever webo. Oh not be me one contact send message. You go say no, not be me one send a message. Most people when they go Nigeria, is that they go Nigeria, they must find house help. Iyaguale house help. If now 1 month they will pay the house help. So now they see brother, sister when they come they help them again like that. If sister say pikin say your auntie when come for abroad, go help and clean ground. You go say no, you say mommy I know they go. That one when don't carry your children go abroad, you know come carry me. Now me want go they help her. You go say if they come Europe, if they from Europe they come house. I bet me carry one of the pikin, follow body, make it come they help and they clean house. Now me want go help and clean house. And me Suzy do a Suzy dona because Suzy frustrated over here in Nigeria. There will Suzy pikin now the same category 9 day. I will say Suzy carry pikin come abroad. Those people that don't reach where Suzy day. Like. Igbavo ere yan we han. You don't go carry pikin for abroad. They come here. Now me with one come to chop ikpoko. They also go carry your pikin come you with your pikin they chop ikpoki there. When we buy now people for outside. Avec be, avec tien. Urere mi ayen we ya touch you no carry but say mommy I no dey go. That one don't carry pikin come abroad. Almost 5 to 6 years, 15 years. Now pikin don't dey abroad. Why you not carry me? Why you not carry me go, mama? You know they tell your sister say me carry me go. Don't carry your children go finish. The one where they follow Suzy, agbe ikie. Iya dage e Suzy. Or frustrate over here. Therefore, Suzy frustrate e pikin. That is why they are very happy because obviously Suzy in Nigeria. In a very in Nigeria. Oh well, person when no fit carry pikin come Europe. Now you want carry me come. Or the bokizere my go or your. If you buy this, you will chop am. Now those things if they fit buy, they give them ikpokize. Wadori ikpokize, wadori woman, wadori eka. Those are what our mamas are born mobile like webo. Person when no fit carry a pikin come abroad. Is that not a shameful thing? Is that not a shameful thing? She don't even shake body because she don't already fail. She's a failure. You are a failure.
I'm spending all the pictures in your inbox, including mine. You want to do this on your own. That's how I want it. I'm doing that right now. I'm not following your instructions anymore. So bye-bye. Take your damn bagel. Everything bagel. You are nothing. And bring me back. I still want those. There's only one.
Oh God. What is this?
Yeah, they call you. They not even call you for connection. Some people now will say, "Ah, mommy, you carry your pikin come abroad though. How you take do years back?" They know they call her for connection. What did they call her for? So, Ibobo. I will take carry Bobo come Europe. Yeah, they call you a connection. Oh, this eyelash is not fine. Oh, this eyelashes I want. These eyelashes. Now eyelashes when I sing for now, they bring up for me so. Hey, Gualo. Ora pull a gongoro. Yeah. Make you check where it don't talk finish. Now also talk she did talk. Go. Oh meme, go. Go. Oh meme. Go. Yeah, go on Nigeria. Ugo. Ugo go. Expression mu you. Expression guy. Tiens. Expression. Amu you go. Etane wo ujebe ke guy. O ye zaka. O ma no ye Nigeria gbe ma okwe guy. O ye zaka wa go nonje. Oh, poverty sticking bitch. You too poor. You go susu where ya Nigeria. And the worst part of it, you know what we block wow. I onu say marua. Make us check. Go carry your pikin later, bro, before you start to talk to me. Make her check her. Oh, not be here. You get video when she do.
If you say that, make the bunker with evidence.
You get one when she do. Now this one.